Hi guys, it's Yianni from Yiannimize and welcome back to This Week at Yiannimize, episode 44. So, last week you'd have been told that Raymond was shooting the video and you guys seemed to enjoy him, so we hired him. So Raymond, welcome to the family. Today, I've got another guy coming in for a trial, Sai, who's now holding the camera. He's gonna film this and let's see if he's any good. So let's crack on with the video and see how well he does. You'll see we've got another V-Class in. This V-Class came in as a result of the other V-Class, Derek Chizora's one, when I said we can come in and we can sort out issues. So this guy booked himself in, we found out the issue, we're waiting for a part, and this will be sorted out. So Pav, genius when it comes to V-Classes, S600 Maybach. How cool does that look? We've already done this car. It came in all black. Okay, I'm not sure if we've got a picture right now. And we've done the top half in like a silver finish. Looks real cool, two-tone, much better. This is a huge car. When you sit in the back, it does feel like you're sitting in a living room. But yeah, real cool, I'm loving that. Last week I didn't show you this. Have a look at this, turn around. See this here? That's Raymond's bike. So Raymond comes in on a motorbike. He hasn't got a car, he's got a bike. Quite cool. I wonder if he's gonna get it wrapped by us. Has he been here long enough to ask to get it wrapped? Probably not. We've got 3 Lamborghini Uruses here and a Rolls-Royce Cullinan. In the corner, you can see my Urus with the full Nero body kit. We're still waiting to put the wrap on, but that is coming very soon. In the corner, we've got another Urus. Actually, have a look at this. So if you come to the front, look at the difference between the two. They're both black Lamborghini Uruses. Mine's got the full Nero carbon body kit. This one is standard. I'm gonna shoot a video on the difference between a standard car and one with the full Nero wide arch body kit. That's gonna be real cool. Over here, exclusive registrations and 4D cars, I wanna say, Rolls-Royce Cullinan. This is a black badge, massive spec. This is in for PPF. I know it was in last week, we haven't started it yet, however, it is going in next. You'll see inside what Sal's working on and why. Rolls-Royce Cullinan, Lamborghini Urus. I'm all about that car, but that's still a nice car. Very big. So as we head into this unit, there's no car here. Why? Actually, the car's being stripped at the moment, ready to come in for Nico and Mark. So that's why there's no car here. We have a Tesla being wrapped in like a satin, what is this, boys? Satin chrome titanium. How nice is this color? Really nice. What happened? A customer's brother saw this colour while they were here looking at their car. They then decided to strip the car that was just fully wrapped and change it to this colour. Have a look at that right now. I can't believe I'm saying this. It's happened again. I've got a car in there. We've just finished wrapping it. It's been stripped because the customer's just seen another car and he's like, I prefer that colour. It's not good enough. It's not good enough. Yeah, sad, wasn't it? But you know what? Whatever the customer wants is what we do. Mark and Nico just wrapped this and they're going to wrap exactly the same colour on the V-Class. Guys, how bad was that? It was bad. So the other guys wrapped that. You've experienced that before in the SLS where the car didn't actually leave. You click here, you can see that video. And we've had it happen again. Customer's always right. If they want it stripped and rewrapped, who am I to argue? But I'm happy to charge you. Hi Chris, how you doing? Fresh trim on the weekends?
Yep.
Looking very nice, very nice. What you got, like a half gone into a 1?
Blade.
That's not blade.
That was blade at the back. Mrs. done it.
Blade at the back, Mrs. done it. Lucky she didn't cut his throat. Anyway, Lamborghini SVJ Roadster. This is my car. Things are happening with this. Remember, Yiannimize competitions is flying at the moment. Every day I'm giving away £1,000. On the 1st of May, I gave away £2,000. On the 2nd of May, I gave away £2,050. On the 3rd of May, I gave away £1,000. Today's the 4th of May, and I'm giving away another £1,000, and every day up until the 31st of May. So guys, make sure you pay attention and see all the Yiannimize social media platforms. They're all going to be in the description, and I'm sure they're going to throw a couple on the screen right now. Aren't you, Sai? He's nodding his head, If he doesn't, guys, could be time up. Obviously, as we head into see Sal, we know we talk about football. Nico and Mark don't care about football. So as we head into the back, we have a Lamborghini Aventador SVJ Roadster. This has got a massive spec. It's left-hand drive. It's got a fantastic blue. What colour is this car, Bert?
Blue.
Blue. Smurf blue, we'll call it to go with Bert's shirt. With an orange interior. Does it say it on there? What's the colour?
Blue Aegea.
Blue Aegea. Blue Aegea. But you look very smart today. I know Gina hates that shirt with the lines on it. Gives her a headache. That's it. You've got a nice little horsey on there as well, mate. Okay, so obviously Andrew and Bert, this car is incredible. It's one of 800 SVJ Roadster. The SV over there is one of 500. Hi, Sal.
Hi, Yian.
How we doing?
Yeah, very well, thanks.
Nice result for your team this weekend?
Yeah, proper result.
4-0.
Real Spurs turned up.
You played Sheffield United, who are relegated, mate. You're going on like, look at Bert. He's going on the real Spurs. They played Sheffield United. You might as well have played Accrington Stanley. Who are they? Exactly. If you know about that video, if you know about that, you are old school like me. That was a milk advert back in the day. So 4-0, happy?
Yep. 4th place.
4th place? You think you're going to get 4th place this season?
We're pushing for it. We've got a good last run of games against some mediocre teams, apart from Leicester.
What, you playing yourself? Hey! I'm only joking, Sal. Everyone gets really upset that I give Sal like banter and stuff. Sal, I don't know what we'd do without you here, mate. You are our PPF guy. This week, you gonna give me overtime this week, Sal?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're gonna put in, how many hours overtime are you gonna give me this week? Minimum.
Minimum of 10.
Really? You heard it here. You heard that here. A minimum of 10 hours overtime. You heard it here.
It was bank holiday yesterday, sorry, it's a 4-day week this week.
So, it's 8 then. 8? So you're gonna give me 2 hours a day? You know what, I will take that. We are so busy, guys. And Sal is the main guy when it comes to PPF. I am looking to hire a PPF guy. If you can do paint protection film and you wanna work with the lovely Sal, contact us. Here's an email address on the screen right now. It says bert@yiannimize.com. I know Bert hates it when I send all the emails to him. But guys, please, if you're gonna send an email, you need to be qualified. Not, I'll be doing it for a week, a month, 2 months. Years and years and years of experience working on real high-end cars. If you're good, I'll bring you in for a trial and I promise you I will hire you. I'll hire 1, 2, even 3 PPF guys. We've got such a wait list. Sal, I'm trying to get you help. Bert, I'm trying to get you emails. Let's go. See you, Sal. See you, Bert, with your blue car. See you, Andrew.
Bye.
So before we head over to the other side, here is the comment section. You guys send in the comments and I get the staff and myself to answer them. So that's about to start right about now.
One car, one color. I choose SVJ and light chrome blue.
Alright, so for the question, one car, one colour. One car, Lamborghini PPF, one colour, titanium black chrome.
First car, why am I holding this like it's a mic?
It would have to be a Bugatti Chiron. Have to be chrome black for me, bro, all the way.
With a pink badge.
Maybe GTR in chrome orange.
So Jack, it's London. What was the first car wrapped by Yiannimize and what colour was it? Good question. I can't remember if it was Bakary Sanya's Range Rover in white or was it Theo Walcott's Audi in white? One of them. Not 100% sure. Flux Gamers is saying if you're an OG fan of Yiannimize, you'll remember Yianni from a different YouTube channel called Fast, Furious and Funny. True, I was on that YouTube channel before I had my own one and I actually done a video on there with One Direction when we done their tour bus. Yeah, that's a great memory. That is taking it way, way back. Jack Moore, Yian, who's been working for you the longest? Be interested to see who's loyal. Nico has been here the longest and he's definitely one of the most loyal. Mark has been here a very long time. Bert and Gina and Pav. So yeah, they've been here many, many moons, but Nico is day one. Okay, how cool are those comments? Really, really good. Also, you might remember last week we had the 300ZX here. That video is now up. Wrap My Banger series is now complete. Click here to see that video. Henry, there was a debate about Henry Arnold who worked on the car. To be fair, me and him spoke and everything's cool, guys. Listen, he's a young guy. He's tried something that he's not really used to. Don't beat him down. Don't think that it was like a conspiracy thing or mine and Terry's thing to try and beat him down. It wasn't. We're just giving constructive criticism and we had to be honest for you guys at home. There's no point saying he'd done the best job in the world when it wasn't, and he understands that. And you know what? He's going to learn. He's a young guy and I'm sure his channel's going to blow. So good luck to you, Henry, and nice video that you put out relating to that. So fair play, very mature. Also, I just mentioned Henry. Remember the McLaren, the chrome pink McLaren that he repaired? Can you believe it's been crashed again? Not by him, it's not his car anymore, he'd sold it. Look at this picture right here. That car, obviously is bad luck. It had a front end last time he repaired it. It's been sold, it's had another front end. Will the car come back to us to be wrapped? Is Henry gonna rebuy it again? Who knows? If it does, I'm sure it'll come back to us to get rewrapped, but yeah, nightmare. Chrome pick McLarens.
So this week's cold start, guys, is introduced by me this time, Lamborghini Huracan Evo. Here we go.
So, as we head into this unit, first car you're going to see is a Fiat Abarth. This car was wrapped, not by us, and the customer tried to get the company that wrapped it to strip it, and they didn't want to strip it. He then took it to another company, and they didn't want to strip it. He is a good customer of mine, so I said, you know what, we will strip it for him. You might ask, why didn't we wrap it? We were too busy, we couldn't fit it in, but I said I'd help him out. One thing we've noticed is, I don't know what vinyl they used on the car, but it's left a load of glue residue, which Dion and Rio are trying to strip off, so you need a load of glue remover. It takes forever to strip this down. Here's another example. That is Sammy the Haan's Urus. This we wrapped, okay? We've stripped it off. Yes, Sammy the Haan is changing the colour again, but as you can see, nothing, it's clean. That's the difference between the vinyl you can use and how the guys apply it. Rio, how difficult is this to strip? Hold on. First of all, talk to me about the hair. Last week you'd have seen this. Let's have a look at his hair. Let's have a look at his hair. Woo-hoo. Hold on, are you Dion or you Rio?
No.
Okay, so you have got the same hair as him then, yeah?
He's grinning behind the car.
Dion, come in. Right, now you lot looking more like twins.
Yeah, but the height difference.
The height, I know, you've got to be gutted if you're you, innit? You're never going to get taller, are you? So you have got the same hair.
Listen, you can get surgery for that now.
You can get surgery for that. You can stretch your legs.
Knee surgery.
Knee surgery.
Some plates or something put in your knee and it makes you taller.
Have a look. Who's better? Who? If you were one of the twins, which one would you rather be? Would you rather be Dion? Or would you rather be Rio? Here you go, Dion. Look at Terry. There we go. Let's have a look now. There we go.
So how's it feel to be me now?
Anyway, that's Dion, that's Rio. They're the twins at Yiannimize, and they're going to have fun stripping this car. I apologise, guys, but
yes, I hope so.
They'll get it done. What do you mean you hope so? What, you hope so that I apologise?
No, not that.
Oh, I didn't think so. Yeah, I didn't think so. Naomi, how you doing? Nice little pink thing in your hair. Naomi's trying to be very girly today. She's the only girl downstairs amongst many men. Many men. Right, Terry's under the car. Bert just wants to be in the video. He just seems to be everywhere today in that shirt. You can't miss him. Just Sammy the Haan's number plate. Sammy the Haan. Customer of the year for many moons. And he's flying again this year. That is the V-Class, sorry, Dion. That is the V-Class that we spoke about. That was wrapped, and now we've stripped it. You know what, it is what it is. But that car's gonna head over there for Nico Mott to wrap. That Urus is gonna get complete, and then obviously the boys will start wrapping this. Pav's in the corner. Hi, Pav.
Hello.
How are we?
I'm alright, you?
Starlight roof lining for the V-Class.
That's the one.
Another one. Do you enjoy doing these?
I love it.
Yeah?
Yeah, I do actually.
You are our stripper and fitter by your daily job. However, you are audio, security, custom bits, V-Class. You're the man.
Thank you.
You are the man.
Thank you.
We're in a situation, I'm going to tell them. We're not going to say who.
Go on.
We had a customer come in. We wrapped his car. He's a good customer of ours. For some reason, he didn't know that we do audio and sound systems, like big audio. We won't just change your head unit.
Sorry. Can you just step back, please? Thank you very much.
Sorry. Don't ever. Okay. So he didn't know that we did sound systems and audio for some reason at all. We don't just do head units, but we do systems. He got his car done elsewhere. His Ghost Immobiliser now doesn't work. He's got a load of faults on his dashboard. The car doesn't start. The car is now coming to us to rectify that. He's not a happy bunny. However, we are going to rectify it, and then I think we are billing the other people that done this job. So guys, if you're gonna get work done elsewhere, listen, there's loads of companies out there, and there's fantastic companies out there. Do your homework first. Do your homework first. Make sure they've been around a long time. And if they say to you, yeah, bring the car next week, I would question that, because if they're not busy, why are they not busy? As we head over, Tev, I'm loving that hair, man. Honestly, Tev, I love that hair. I love it. Can I feel it? Can I feel it?
Give it a squeeze.
Look at that, man. That's the best hair ever.
And you just bounce straight back.
I love it. And you just bounce. That's the best hair. So Keon's stripping the car. Christopher is fitting up the Maserati 4200. Talk to me. He's fitting this up. This car is now being wrapped. It's a fit up. Looks good colour. What colour was this? Black? And I said it last week as well. I can never remember. Andy. Hi, Andy.
How you doing?
How you getting on, mate?
Yeah, all good.
Are you well? You well? Are you well? You well? You well?
Not long to go.
Not long to go, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Not long to go. Till what? You just started? Monday morning, Tuesday morning?
No, just fit the doors up.
Oh, fit the doors up. Thought like not long to go until he's leaving. So, this is satin black. You might remember the SQ8 we wrapped in satin black for Libertex. Now, if you look on the screen right now, he put the car up for sale. There's a video to go with it. Alex saw the video and he's like, I put it up for sale for around 24 hours and I changed my mind. So he's still got the car, so he actually hasn't sold it. But he was thinking about it. He couldn't bring himself to sell it. Either way, Alex, it's your car, my friend. If you want to sell it, sell it. If you want to take the money, take it. And if you want to drive the car, drive it. No one can tell you what to do, even though everyone gets real busy when it comes to online social media stuff. I dedicate this video to AJ from AJ Wraps and Customs, who sadly passed away last week due to an incident that happened at his work. God bless you, man. Rest in peace. And I hope your family cope as best as they can, man. Praying for you. RIP to you, bro. And that's the end of this video. Take care.